Which is better, the used machine that's under $1,000 or the new machine that costs up to $10,000? When people think about getting into the vending industry, one of the first things they ask is, should I buy a new or used machine? Used machines seem so cheap, but how can you really know if they won't cause any problems? Then, on the other hand, new machines seem so expensive. Which is best financially, and is there a way to get a good quality machine without wasting money? Well, this video is going to help answer most of those questions. I'm going to break down the pros and cons of both new and used machines, and also share a third option many people don't often talk about. Make sure you watch this video to the end because that third option might actually be the best choice for you. One of the biggest advantages of buying a new vending machine is it looks great. It's clean, modern, and makes a great first impression, especially to the business where you're going to place it and the customers who are going to use it. You also probably won't have to deal with any major problems in the first few years, and depending on who you're buying it from, you might be able to finance the machine for as low as $150 a month, which makes it seem a little easier on your budget. But the downside is the price. New machines are usually the most expensive option. You might pay 3 to 5 times more what a used machine would cost. On top of that, unless there's a local seller near you, you're probably going to pay for shipping, which can add up fast. And even though you might be financing, it could take years to actually pay off that investment, especially if your location doesn't perform as well as expected. Used machines are popular for a reason. They're much cheaper. You can sometimes find a fully working one for under $1,000. That lower price makes it easier to get started without spending too much. Another benefit is that used machines are often sold locally, so you might be able to skip the shipping costs and get it right away. Because you're investing less, it won't take as long to break even and get a return on the money you invested to buy the machine. But we all know used machines come with some risks. Since they've already been out in the field, you don't really know what kind of wear and tear they've had. A lot of times there's no warranty, so if something breaks, you're on your own. The machine might also look outdated or only take cash, which can turn off potential customers and business owners. Plus, being new in the vending industry, you'll be stuck when you find out your vending machine that you paid $1,000 or more for has issues that you don't know how to fix. Let's talk about the third option. Not everyone talks about this one, but it could be the best balance between price and reliability. Refurbished vending machines. Refurbished machines are used machines that have been inspected by professionals. They clean them up, test all the parts, replace broken parts if needed, sometimes update the payment systems, and fix any problems before reselling them. You'll still have money compared to a brand new machine, but they're usually in much better condition than a random used one. Some sellers even offer a limited warranty, which adds peace of mind when you're getting started. Of course, they're not perfect. You still pay more than you would with a basic used machine, and while they'll work and look better than most used machines, they might still have a few scuffs of cosmetic wear. And the warranty usually doesn't last as long as a new machine's warranty. So, which one should you get? In the end, this decision is up to you. If you've got the budget and want the newest, cleanest machine with the least headaches, you can go new. You can start with the new machine, and if the location doesn't seem worthy of the expensive machine, you can move it in the future. If you're starting small and trying to keep costs low, used may seem appealing, but I wouldn't recommend it unless you plan on learning to repair the machine or know someone who can repair it if a problem arises. If you want something in the middle with better reliability and less risk, refurbished might be the best way to go. Over the years, buying refurbished machines has been a great option for me. Whatever option you choose, the most important thing is getting the first machine out there and learning the business. If this has helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more vending tips, and drop a comment if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your vending journey.